My name is David Morton. I'm the Landscape Curator here at Brucemore. It's a 26-acre estate located in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and it's one of the few National Trust historic sites in the Midwest. And this show is about how to create this little piece of paradise in your own backyard. A day in the life of a gardener. Welcome to the new evening garden. A lot of times when you would have a 26-acre estate, if you're lucky enough and wealthy enough, you could have a specialty garden. And Mrs. Douglas had her specialty garden, which was called the evening garden, night garden, white garden. The theory or idea behind the evening garden was to have plants that had silver foliage or gray, blue foliage, white flowers, so that in the evening, the full moon might reflect on those plants. And so, with that concept in mind, this is how it's been planted. So we have some dianthus carnations, which have, again, green, gray foliage. Nepeta, which has a blue flower, but gray foliage. We have this neat little blue fescue. We have some Dutch iris that are going to be white with flowers. Of course, you have to have lavender as well, because that's got the gray-green foliage to it. And it has this border that goes all the way around this newly laid sod. And then we're also planting some shrubs around here. And the idea behind that is to create a nice room. That was the philosophy of O.C. Simonds when he designed this estate, would be that you would wander around and find yourself in different rooms, and you could be sort of secluded in those different rooms. We still have the stakes left over. At first we came out here and staked the whole beds out. We had the sod laid after the brick pad. This is the entrance over here. And all these bricks, this whole brick stairway and pad, this whole stairway and pad was sort of broken apart. Didn't have the foundation in there, so they dug the whole thing out, and they had cement laid down on the bottom there and then laid the brick up there. So it's all redone, and this is the entrance into it. And then the sod was laid and the beds were measured out. Now that we're done planting, we're just finishing up the shrubs that go around here. Greg and I are finishing those up. Then we'll be done with this project, and we'll have the layers come out and lay the remaining sod on the outside of these beds. Then we'll have a finished evening garden, which you should come and check out if you're in the area, because I don't think there's very many of these around here. And it's a neat idea, neat concept. Yeah, so that's our evening garden. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more, hit the like button, the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel.